Hello teacher, today I want to talk about my final project. My name is Hua Yuqing. I'm the first year student of Watford Institute of Technology. My project name Mr. Care and it is a student health management system. I want to make some introduction of it. Today's fast-paced and busy life unlikely affects people's health and cause some chronic diseases. And there's few systems providing health analysis for students. So I would like to build a platform for students to make healthy analysis for themselves. So students could upload their physical examination information and life information, and the system use the algorithm to calculate the prediction of common diseases and dynamic feedback to users. The system also has the online communication function. It allows students to consult with the doctors who had the account in the system. And the news and epidemic model shows users real-time information about epidemic and news. And the calendar shows the reminder of the event in the calendar, and people could say what's the event and they should do. And the administrator can add, delete, update, and search for the user's information data. Now I want to talk about the main technology I used. I used React to build front end, the Node.js to build back end, use MongoDB to save data, and call third-party API to get some dynamic data to collect and feedback in the system. And let's look at the system. This is the login page. To ensure the confidentiality and the security of the system, there's no register, and every account is set by the administrator and sent to the user separately. For there's some privacy data in the system is more safe. Let's log in, and this is my account. And you can see this is my name and the account type, and this is the exist button. And this is the home page. Welcome to use Mr. Care student health management system. And the data in the system is dynamic. There are three parts: health care center, COVID-19 center, and life center. The main part is health care center. Let's look at this. It is body health function. It is a table of report, and I can search it by time. Let's select operate and search. It would show you the report in this period. And let's add a new report. We input our information. This information are specific list medical terminology from the physical examination report. So just input it, and height and weight, high level. I don't have 119, but I want to show you the function of the system, so I put this high level and others. And we start analysis, and just a notification, and we confirm, and we look at the newest report. This is a factory input, and we can see the BMI is 18, calculated from these factors, and this is a normal level, so the system gave me a normal diagnostic information, and my prediction of get the coronary heart disease is 1. So the system also gave me a normal advice, and because I input the 119, it's a very high level, so system gave me a warning, go to see the doctor, and gave me a serious word of diagnostic information. Here it is dynamic, and we'll click OK and look at the next live hearsay. It is familiar with the body hearsay, and we could use the time to search, and we see the different things. The function, it allows us to input our live information. Sometimes I didn't eat breakfast, so breakfast, lunch, everyday dinner, the press. I usually go to bed at 8 p.m. and full time sleep, and because this period is busy, and so it's much more time, and I didn't do sport and confirm, and we could look at the report. It gave me the advice less screen time and more access. System combined all of this and calculate the most serious problem of your body hearsay, and it dynamic feedback to the user. It is more intelligent than the body hears, and this is the live hears, and the hears tracking is system use the prediction of the common disease and put it into one chart, and you could see them or see one of them or both of them, and you could see details of them and the average of them, and this is the above advice and reasons dynamic according to this chart. And next is the doctor connect function. There's 3 doctors, and you could see their details, and if you want to chat with them, the user should be online. So let's log in the James. Let's look at the James. We look at the James account, and we can start to chat. So we can connect it online. Yeah, and next is the healthy news. This is a code, this is the title, and this is the content details. And if I click this source details, it would turn to the original page of details. Let's go back to our city. This is a healthy news, and it provided everyday news, and this is the Healthy Care Center. Let's look at the COVID-19 center. The system provides a map and a level of the confirmed cases. You could say Dublin has the largest circle, so the situation is the most serious in Dublin, and this gave us directly knowing of the situation of the COVID-19, and this is the details information of the situation. And let's look at the Wilfred, the confirmed case growing every day, so we continue need to protect ourselves. And this is system provide some advice to the users and use the picture to catch the users' attention. And this is the first step hand wish. And this is the COVID-19 center. Let's look at the life center. this is a calendar, and this is the reminder of the event in the calendar, and it could let users to remember what event he should do. For this, every fifth month, system would advise the user to do a healthy analysis, and the next month is the same. And you can see the year reminder. This is also make some reminder to the user, and this is the user page, and I want to exit and show you the administrator page. So I use the administrator account and login, and you could say the account type has changed, and the administrator have a page user manage, and this is the table of the user, and administrator could use the name to search the user, and I want to add a new user. Let's follow the format of the username qhy and password qhy123. Let's see qhy123 and qhy, and it should be user and OK, and we could say it has added in the user list, and let's login it qhy. Let's see qhy, and name password is qhy to say we can login it, and we edit it to the, let's change the password qhy123 qhy123 and qhy123. Okay, let's exit and use the new password qhy and qhy123. We can login it, and if we remove this account, we exist and we try to login qhy, and we can't login it and send the wrong message. This is the system, and this is the database of the system: user table and health report table and life health report table. This is what I want to show you. Thank you for watching.